Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming with you with another. Yeah, it's another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And today we've got this salty lemon yakisoba. What? Yeah. So. This is what you'll get in there. Put it here. And we're going to put the liquid into the thing. Come on. There's that. And then we need a lid. And we're going to use this lid. Then it says right here, four. 4 minutes. 4 little minutes. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna skin a robot tonight. Robot taxidermy. Why not? Look at that chicken. It's got batteries. It used to be, I did a lot of those way back. And it used to be, you'd go to like Goodwill or Value Village. They'd be like $2 for any stuffed animals, and they would include the animatronic ones in that. They come with a full set of batteries. And some of these, I've seen ones that take 8 AA's. It's ridiculous. Like that, what is it, like Elmo TMX? I think that's what that one that I showed you yesterday was. That was an expensive one when it came out. But that was like $4. Actually, no. It was $4.99 and 30% off. So that would make it what, $3.50? Something like that. That's not bad. That's a good bargain for a animatronic robot toy that probably when it first came out was like $50. And especially since I am just going to take scissors and pliers and just tear. There's like zip ties holding their skin on, and you just clip those, and then it just like, if you're lucky and you find all the good points on it, you can basically take it all off in one piece. Those Elmos though, that fur, it's messy. It's real messy. Gesundheit, Gesundheit. But yeah. I started the timer. Yeah, I started the timer. What else is going on? So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go on another hunt for a bread machine. Maybe we'll find one in Bellevue. Gotta go over there on some important business. So it's a plan. We made the plan. We're going to do it. This episode is actually being recorded right now. It's 5:21 p.m. We went out and we did all that shopping, and once Miles got off the bus and everything, all snacks were distributed, here I am. But yeah, really late doing the episode today, but actually it's worked out fine. So I kind of like that. It's going to be interesting doing episodes once they go back to school, because he'll be going from like, I guess his school's from like 9:30 to 4. Her school will be noon to 2:30. So it'll be that noon to 2:30 window, which honestly, there'll be a bit before and a bit after because of the transportation. But it's going to be difficult. But I'll figure it out. That's no, he did used to go for full day, but then I had her all day too, so I don't know, we'll figure it out. There actually will be a part of the day when nobody is here. Nobody, which is really going to be weird. You're like, am I missing something? Did I forget somebody? Why is it so quiet? I better make sure that nobody's like drawing on a wall. It's gonna be strange, but it'll be kind of neat. I think one of the first things that I'm gonna do to make, I know one guy named Gary, he's gonna be really stoked to hear this. If you're watching the show, dude, and I know you're not because all you care about are freaking top 10 lists, but if you were watching the show, you would know now that probably the first thing, and I've probably already done these, I'm gonna go back to using the green screen for doing the top 10 videos. This guy's been like going, when are you gonna go back to using the green screen? I'm like, once I'm not, you know, once the kids go back to school, I can pull that off, but not really until then. But that's, we're just about there, so. So yeah, my first plan of attack is to like do a ton of top 10s. I'll probably do Taiwan, let's see, Taiwan, US, spicy, which means I got some work to do, man. Wow. There's a lot of spicy that I need to do. I've got some good spicy stuff on hand. It'll be neat. It'll be neat. And I'm right now I'm doing like 3 reviews a day, so I'm getting way far ahead again. I've never gotten below 100 reviews ahead recently, but I don't know. It'd be nice to get back up to like 120 reviews ahead, and then just sit on my, well, not really sit on my butt, just like get that far ahead, do all those top 10s, and then while they're gone, instead of like dealing with Noodle stuff, just like take a whole month and get back to walking and doing all that stuff again. Because I don't know, my wife's been home for a few weeks and it's been great. She's gonna go back to work and everything, but it's been nice because it's like we get to have all this time together. So it's like I don't want to do all this stuff all the time. I've spent a lot of time not doing reviews and stuff. So I like to hang out with my lady. Is that so wrong? I don't think so. Okay, salty lemon yakisoba. Now, first off, I'm gonna say, but without even tasting this, it smells interesting. But the thing I don't like about this yakisoba off the bat, when I think yakisoba, I think saucy and dark. It's kind of, I'm getting a yellow tinge off of this stuff, but it's kind of hard to distinguish this from just like a non-cooked or just a noodle that's been cooked and drained. You know what I mean? I like the color, I like the feel, I like the whole thing of yakisoba, like regular original sauce yakisoba. So, although I did have one tartar sauce one, which was really good, but let's give this a go. Huh. Mmm. So there is definitely a lemony kick to this. It's all right. I mean, it's like it's all right. It's interesting and different, and I like that. Unique noodles, I'm all about that, but it has to be unique and unique for a really good reason. I think the summer months idea, I think that's great, but it's not giving me the oomph that I want to see in a new product. What I want to see, and this isn't even a new product, this is just a new flavor. What I like in a new product is some serious innovation. And this one, I'm not getting that. So, but it's good. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm just not saying I'm gonna go like, oh my God, this is the greatest new thing, blah, 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 jump off your rooftops. Go buy the bacon Kit Kat. You know, I'm not doing that. And no. I'll stop you right there. I don't know that there is a bacon Kit Kat. There may be. I'm surprised there isn't. They should have like 20 different flavors of meat Kit Kat. Assorted meat Kit Kat. You know what? I'll tell you the same thing I'm going to tell you about every other fancy Kit Kat I've had. You can do that, but you know which one I'm going to like the best. The original one. Because that's the only one that's really good. It's the truth. You all know it. The reason that you like Kit Kat is because of the original one. All these weird new, like, this and that. Like, come on. They're using you. I need one more riser. Right where I need it, right when I need it. Thank you. Thanks. You know, I even need one more. This is interesting. This isn't your normal howdy do. That should do her up. Right there. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, are you kidding me? I could go this way then too and replicate that error. You do the same, you do something wrong twice, it's not doing something wrong, it's a pattern. Oh my God. It's like this thing needs a laser sight. It really does. Holy Slicer needs a laser sight, so I can go like, okay, there's the red dot, this is where the onions are gonna go, but it just doesn't seem to want to work that way. We're all in a state of growth, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. There's another one. There's a bunch of them. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Bear with me. I mean, granted, it's like unbelievably perfect, but then why are you complaining, dude? I don't know. I want it to be like exactly the way I want it. So here's. Look at all those tiny little perfectly sliced super micro thin onions. Micro thin. And you know what? Do you know what? I'll show you what. Put one dollop of mayo right in the freaking center, right? Like that. Like a little perfect curly turd. Right on top. And just a little dust of shichimi. Right there. Look at that. That is professional. That is gourmet. That is the Ramen. Look at that action. Yeah. Now what do we do? Do we need a reduction of something? I don't know. Go, Rotato. Go, 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 go. All right, well, thanks for watching. Yeah, maybe next episode there'll be an intro with something interesting, an outro with something interesting involving robots. We'll see. It's very, very possible. There has some debauchery and naughtiness of children, so I don't know if I'll be doing that robot skinning, but we'll see. They're good kids. Anyways, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.